How to join Amazon influencer program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply search for Amazon influencer program and open it up. The very first link, it is for the US one, and if you want to join any country specific one, just simply type the country right beside it and you would be able to reach out to the official website of that particular country for Amazon influencer program. So simply open up and this is where it will take you. But there are some conditions that you need to fulfill in order to sign up for this particular account. The first one being that you need to have Amazon customer account. So Amazon will be fetching all the details from your customer account. And the second requirement is that you should have Amazon affiliate account and you should be accepted in that particular affiliate account. After that, you can apply for the influencer account. And for this, just simply open up the official website, then click on this option of sign up. After that, you would need to fulfill some details. And after that, you would need to fill some details and you would have to sign in to your customer account. And also you would have to connect your social media where you have most influence and just connect it and you would be able to, and Amazon might accept your application if you have good influence on your social media. So this is how you would be able to join it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.